Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings and welcome to Madam Amira to our presentation today. My name is Arina Amira binti Abdul Rahim and my group members are Nur Nabila binti Rosman and Sabrina Alia binti Abdullah. We are from group RBA2424A and for our presentation today we have chosen the topic of Challadurai'S multidimensional model of leadership that comprises of three main components, which are the preferred leader behavior, actual leader behavior, as well as prescribed leader behavior. Albert Einstein once said that the leader is one who, out of the clutter, brings simplicity, out of discord, harmony, and out of difficulty, opportunity. So this part of the sentence, it emphasizes the leader's ability to see opportunities in challenges instead of being deterred by difficulties. A true leader is depicted as someone who can identify and capitalize on the potential for growth and improvement within those challenges. So the sentence also portrays that a leader as a figure who navigates complexity, resolves conflicts, and able to turn challenges into opportunities. It encapsulates the essence of effective leadership by emphasizing simplicity, harmony, and positive outlook in the face of difficulties. Before we dive deeper, let's start by understanding what multidimensional theory of leadership in sports entails. The multidimensional theory of leadership in sports is a model that focuses on three main key lenses, which are the three crucial leadership states, which are the prescribed, actual, and preferred. So when these three states align, the group performance and member satisfaction will improve. And it has been stated that the factors influencing these leadership behaviors include the situation, leaders, and member of characteristics according to a particular sport being played. Let's start with the first leadership behavioral state, which is the prescribed leadership behavior state. In simple terms, it means that conventional leadership adhering to organizational norms. Let me give you an example. Let me give you a scenario where a prescribed leader is intentionally chosen and appointed by an external authority. In this case, the team manager, to fulfill a specific role, let's say within a football team. Okay, so external authority, the team manager to fulfill is appointed to fulfill a specific role within a football team. So the decision is made with a deliberate expectation that the appointed leader possesses specific qualities or advantages deemed crucial for the role. So the ultimate goal is to enhance the overall effectiveness and success of the team through strategic placement of a leader who can contribute positively to the team dynamics, performance, and outcomes. So that is prescribed leadership behavioral state. The prescribed leadership behavioral in sports psychology focus on defining specific set of behaviors essential for sports leaders to inspire, motivate, and maximize the potential of athletes. Okay, let's say in the high stakes environment of a professional basketball team preparing for a championship tournament, the coach adopts the prescribed leadership behavioral state in sports psychology. So he recognizes the critical role of leadership in optimizing athlete performance. The coach defines a specific set of behaviors aimed to inspire, motivate, and maximize the potential of each player on the team. In this situation, the coach adoption of the prescribed leadership behavioral state reflects a strategic approach to leadership with the aim of not only achieving success in the upcoming championship but also to ensure the long-term development and well-being of each athlete under their guidance. So this intentional focus on specific leadership behaviors is designed to create an environment that maximizes athlete potential and foster a winning team mentality. There are two implementation strategies in prescribed leader behavior. The first one is leadership training for coaches, where it develops coaching programs that emphasize prescribed leadership behavior state that can enhance the leadership skills of coaches. So in this scenario, the university, let's say a university recognizes that developing coaching programs centered around the prescribed leadership behavioral state, which is not about only improving immediate performance but also about fostering a culture of continuous improvement and long-term success within its athletic programs. So the second strategy is by implementing mental skills training for athletes, where they integrate mental skills training programs that align with prescribed leadership behaviors, empowering athletes to navigate challenges and optimize their psychological well-being. So let's say in the competitive world of professional cycling, a team acknowledges the critical role of mental resilience in optimizing athlete performance. So to enhance the team's overall well-being and success, the coaching staff decides to integrate a mental skills training program that align with prescribed leadership behaviors. So in this scenario, let's say the integrating mental skills training program that align with prescribed leadership behavior reflects as a strategic approach to athlete development. The goal is not only to improve performance, but also to prioritize the psychological well-being of cyclists. Ultimately, it contributes to the sustained success of professional cycling team. The impacts of application of prescribed leader behavior include impacts on athlete performance and team dynamics. For athlete performance, leaders who embrace the prescribed leadership positively influence athletes' focus, confidence, and resilience, leading to improved performance outcomes. So in this situation, the implementation of the prescribed leadership behavioral state in collegiate track and field demonstrate as a strategic approach to coaching that prioritize individualized support, motivation, and cultivation of resilient team mindset. Ultimately, it leads to improved performance outcomes. Secondly, is the team dynamics, contributes to development of cohesive team culture, fostering mutual support, communication, and shared commitment to success. So in this scenario, the implementation of prescribed leadership behavioral state contributes to the development of cohesive team culture within the professional soccer team. So the focus on mutual support, effective communication, and shared commitment of success enhances the team's unity, resilience, and overall performance. In conclusion, the prescribed leadership behavioral state in sports psychology is vital for enhancing athlete performance and building positive team dynamics, fostering an environment conducive to overall success both on and off the field. In simple terms, the prescribed leadership behavioral state is more than just a theory. It is a useful guide for sports leaders. It helps them handle coaching challenges, manage teams well, and create an environment where athletes thrive, communicate well, and work together for success. As sports change over time, the role of leadership in shaping athletes' experiences becomes more apparent. So the prescribed leadership behavioral state, with its emphasis on intentional and purposeful leadership, becomes a guide for those aiming for long-term success. It paves the way for victories both in competitions and in the overall growth of individuals and teams.
Hi, my name is Nabila Bintur Rosman. Now I would like to explain about the preferred leader behavior. Okay, what is meant by preferred leader behavior? Preferred leader behavior refers to the leadership qualities, trait, and action that individuals or groups within an organization or community find desirable or effective. In simple terms, when we talk about leadership qualities, we're pointing to the stuff a leader does or how they act that make people go like, "Yep, that's the leader we want." It is about what a group or organization see as cool and effective in a leader. think of it like having a preferred style of leadership that just click with everyone. It's like saying that this is the kind of leader we prefer because their quality and action work for us. So it's all about what people think that make her leaders truly good and effective. Next, what is considered very preferred? Okay, considered preferred can depend on several factors like organizational culture, the nature of the work, the goals of the team, and the characteristic of the individuals involved. Okay, so in simple understanding, when it comes to talking in a traditional setup of culture, leaders keep it formal, clear and real and straightforward. No beating around the bush. They like things organized so that they make sure everyone get the lowdown in a clear and no-nonsense way. Okay, organizational culture is the set of shared beliefs, values, and practices that shape how people behave within a company or a group. Different organizations may prioritize different aspects of leadership based on their unique culture. For example, like innovative culture, traditional culture, and collaborative culture. So, nature of work are highlighting the types of tasks, projects, or goals within a particular job or industry can influence the leadership qualities and behavior that are considered effective or desirable. Different types of work require different approaches to leadership. For example, like creative work, routine or technical work, and project-based work. Okay, in simple words, leaders play a crucial role. Leaders in creative settings should be supportive and encouraging. Instead of being stick to the rules, they are expected to foster an atmosphere that welcome unconventional and imaginative ideas. Their roles include helping team members brainstorm, keeping the creative energy alive, and guiding the overall creative process. Okay, goal of team means that the leadership qualities and behavior considered effective can vary based on the specific objective and aims that the team is trying to achieve. Different team goals may require different leadership approaches. For example, innovation goal, efficiency goal, and collaboration goals. Okay, so imagine when a team is striving for innovation, leaders need to foster a creative and open environment. They encourage idea generation, risk-taking, and a willingness to explore new and unconventional solutions. Leadership in this context involves inspiring a culture that values creativity and experimentation. Okay, while characteristics of the individual involved are highlighting that people's preferences of leadership style can be influenced by their individual traits, needs, and values. Different individuals may respond differently to various leadership approaches based on their personality, experiences, and work preference. For example, communication style, autonomy preference, and recognition of preferences. Okay, imagine everyone has their own unique language. Some like it straight to the point, others prefer a more casual chat. Leaders need to get this vibe where good leaders catch the vibe and speak everyone's language. It's like having a chat in a way that feels just right for each person. Okay, so what can I summarize from my part is the concept of preferred leader behavior acknowledges that effective leadership is not one size fits all. Successful leaders are often those who can flexibly adapt their behaviors to meet the specific needs and preferences of their team or organization. Okay, so in other words, what can I say is the leader should understand that individuals within a team may have different work styles, communication, preferences, and motivators. Therefore, successful leaders are capable of adjusting their leadership style to accommodate this variation, fostering a more supportive and productive work environment. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is RBA2424A, and now I'm gonna share you guys about actual leader behavior. Actual leader behavior. The definition of it is a leader that shows their actual behavior, their real behavior. So to fully understand about leadership, is a leader is mostly influenced by the characteristics and the condition of the team. A leader also should respect the situation and the desire of the members. So, the actual leader behavior is based on a leader characteristics. So, these are examples of a leader characteristics. So, one of the leader characteristics is respect. A leader should respect their members, so he or she would not cross the line. And it is important that a leader should have a good communication among its members, so he or she would avoid, so the team would avoid miscommunication, misunderstanding, and integrity. A leader should be honest among its members, and empathy. It is a good way that a leader should show their empathy towards towards their own group, their members, whenever they have problems. And confidence. So a leader should have a confidence whenever they need to make a decision, and even though not every day the team gonna have a good day, some of them may have a bad day, so a leader could also boost their confidence so they can make a better job, a better project. And lastly is influence. A leader should show a good influence among its members so that they won't do anything bad. As a conclusion, actual leader behavior is based on a leader characteristics. So it is important that a leader should have a good characteristics, and a leader should also have a proper behavior as personality, physical, intellectual, and more. And that's all from me. Thank you for listening.